Y'all, broth is broth. Chicken broth, beef broth, turkey broth, lamb broth, it doesn't matter. It's all good and it's all done the same. Today we're going to do turkey broth. I have some smoked turkey tails. Now, was that my first option? No, but this is all they had when I went to the store. So we're going to use the turkey tails. It works just as good because I'm going to strain it out anyway, and I'm just going to be left with the broth. So it really doesn't matter. And turkey tails have lots and lots of fat on them. First off, you're going to need some water. Lots of water to make lots of broth. Salt, pepper, smoked meat of your choice. For Thanksgiving though, we're going to use turkey. And you're going to need that bag that I told you to keep in the freezer, and with all your onion skins and little pieces of celery and bell pepper or whatever you didn't use. This bag, that goes in there too. Now I need a lot of broth because I have a really big family. You don't have to do this unless you want to can some or put some in the freezer for later. But I need a whole gallon. Get that water in there. Splashing it everywhere. All right, got my gallon of water. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the stove on. Gotta find my matches. Okay. Gonna get that on. We're gonna stick with that high flame because we are gonna boil this. Once it comes up to the boil, then I'll drop it down to a simmer, and I will let it simmer for anywhere between an hour and 2 hours. But let's get all our stuff in the pot. Let's get that in there. All my onion peels. We got to have those. That's what makes that beautiful, beautiful color. Okay. And I'm going to use this whole thing, this whole pack. It's a couple of pounds. Just gonna drop that in there too, just like that. All right, now I'm gonna add salt now, but salt's all relative. And I am gonna be making other stuff with this broth that requires me to add salt. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt in here to begin with, just a little round, probably, I don't know, a good teaspoon. And I'm gonna put about a half teaspoon of pepper in there. And then after I get it all done and I get it separated, then we'll taste it and see if it needs more salt. Shake, 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 about like that. Good couple of pinches of pepper, because this is a whole gallon. All right. And we're gonna put the lid on it, let it come up to a boil. All right, y'all, I'm up to that rolling boil. All I got to do now is turn it down to low and cook it for 1 hour. All right, now we're just going to get this all strained out with my handy dandy sieve. Easy. Randy's helping me and he's pouring it out over the sieve. I might have to do it again.
No, you won't. There ain't nothing going.
Okay, very good. There you go. Thank you. Now, see that beautiful color on that broth? That's what a little bit of onion peel will do for you. Absolutely perfect. All right, thank you, Randy, for helping me. That pot is heavy. Okay. Anyway, now that it's all out here and it's drained, I'll take this pot, dump it in the compost, bring it back, rinse it out, and then I'll pour this back into my big pot. I'll use what I need for my cornbread dressing tomorrow, and whatever's left is what I have to make my noodles in. Yeah, no waste. Everything good. That's about it. Y'all, happy Thanksgiving. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Comments are free, y'all. And that algorithm just loves them. We will see you in the next one. Bye.